Hello, boys and girls. So for today's class and lesson, we're going to talk about numbers, okay? And I'm going to show you a great way or a great strategy to use whenever you don't know what a number is. So in today's class and in today's lesson, we're going to know what a hundreds chart is, understand how to use a hundreds chart, and be able to identify numbers in a 100s chart. Okay? So the first thing, what is a number, a hundreds chart? What is it? This is a hundreds chart. A hundreds chart is a page with the numbers from 1 all the way down to 100. Okay? Kind of like our video that we saw earlier today, to count to 100. Do you remember that song? So, a hundreds chart is literally a page that has numbers 1 all the way to 100. And the next thing is, understand how to use it. You can use a hundreds chart to find numbers. So for example, if you don't know what a number is, you can use a hundreds chart to find out. Here's an example. So, what if I don't know what number this is? Do you know what number it is? All right. But now there's some friends that maybe don't know what number that is. So here's how we can help them. Whenever we don't know what number it is, let's go to a hundreds chart. And let's find this number in the hundreds chart. Where is it? Where do you see it? Ah, I found it. There it is. So there's the number. But again, what if they don't know what number it is? What is the name of it? We can start counting. So we're going to start at the very beginning. So at number 1, we're going to start here. And then we're going to count each box until we get to the number that we see here. Ready? So let's see. What number is this? We're going to start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What number is that? 5. Great job. You did awesome. So remember, you can use the hundreds chart to find out the name of a number. Here's our last example. Do you know what number that is? Okay. Well, here, some of our friends maybe don't know what number this is, but that's okay. We're going to find out. So let's look in our hundreds chart for a number that looks very similar to this. Do you see it? Let's look. Where is it? Where is it? Aha! I found it. So now remember, in order to find out the name, we have to start counting from the beginning, okay? So let's start from number 1, and we're going to stop here. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So this number is 18. Fantastic. You did such a great job today. I am so proud of you. You did awesome. So in today's lesson, we learned what a hundreds chart is, which a hundreds chart is a page with numbers from 1 all the way to 100. And we learned that a hundreds chart can help us know the name of a number. And if we don't know what the name is, we have to look for it, put our finger on it, and then start counting from the beginning. So in number 1, and we're going to count until we get to the finger or to that number. And that's how we find out the name. You did awesome. I can't wait to see how you do it yourself. Bye. See you later.